It has been a contentious issue for the city since the spring of 2021, an encampment on the Lower Patricia Boulevard. In October of that year, the Supreme Court ruled the camp cannot be dismantled until suitable housing could be found for those living there. It was the only such ruling of its kind in the province, and now a new ruling has given the city options.
For those folks mentioned in the order, that approximately 20 who have been there through the duration of this hearing, we'll treat them with respect to what's been directed by the Justice. And so until BC Housing makes them an offer, they will continue to be entrenched on the site, and we'll work to support them as they transition into shelter. For newcomers who may arrive tonight, tomorrow, whatever the case may be, the site will be regulated per the Parks and Open Spaces bylaw, and we'll be working to have them take down after 9 a.m. each morning.
The ATCO trailers at 3rd and London are just part of the City and BC Housing's efforts to provide what the courts expected as suitable housing.
From the time of the original court decision to that time, there was 555 additional doors that were brought as part of the network to support folks who are experiencing homelessness in our community. And so we have, through investments by the province, the city, and partners, brought hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of additional doors to the city.
When a different camp was dismantled by the city, pop-up camps began to grow throughout, but there are mechanisms for dealing with those.
So if other encampments pop up, as from time to time may occur, this site, the overnight sheltering space, would be where we would be directing folks to.
Eric Depineau says the transition out of Moccasin Flats will be done with compassion, but there is still much work to be done. Something
that I recognize, I think that others recognize, is today's decision doesn't solve homelessness. We have done good work to strengthen the system, whether that's extreme weather sheltering options, whether it's additional drop-in spaces, or these rooms that we're talking about. But we know that more needs to be done, and we're very pleased to see that we're on a good trajectory, as confirmed by the court, and to continue strengthening this network of supports.
And the question on everybody's mind: what is the next step?
We will regulate the site per the Parks and Open Spaces bylaw, and we'll support those mentioned in this court hearing to find suitable shelter options and respect what the judge has told us we need to do to support that transition.
So now a new phase of Moccasin Flats is underway. Cheryl Jahn, CKPG News.